over and up.
And ready? Second gear.
What? Over and down.
Good job.
Hey. Hey, thank you for behaving.
Yes, you are behaving. Ready? Over and or third gear. Do you like shifting gears?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
And I like behaving too.
And fourth gear. I love you, kiddo.
I love you too.
Do you like shifting gears for Omar?
Yeah.
All right, we're coming up to a stop, so you got to put it in neutral. Good job. Did you take it to make sure it was in neutral?
Yeah. Yeah.